Hi, I'm Chad from Conair, and if you've been following us on YouTube or LinkedIn for a while, you've seen I've been giving away these mystery boxes. Now, as you would expect, these mystery boxes have some swag in them, so today's video is going to be about Conair SWAG, kind of a swag review. I'm out here in the lab today. We're putting some final touches on some of the demonstrations we'll be running at our next trade show, which is PT Expo in Chicago. But this gives me a good opportunity to talk to you about. A lot of people ask what might be in this box. So I can tell you every box is unique. There are not the same contents in every single box, but I can give you a run through of what some of the contents might be. It could include some of these, it could include none of these, it could include possibly all of these if I could possibly squeeze them in the box. So let's start here with the most simple. Of course, this is a high quality Conair twist click pen. It's got our signature bright green trade show color, our Conair logo, and it is this nice transparent blue color. Item number 2 on the Conair SWAG review is the Conair Uptime Guaranteed blue lanyard. It's got a nice key ring on it. You can put your keys on there, or I know a lot of people use magnetic or RFID badges on their workplace, so this is a great place to hang those. Item number 3 on the Conair SWAG review. A lot of people ask, what is this? Well, this became extremely popular over the last couple years. This is a small, compact, Conair branded hand sanitizer. Perfect for trade show days when you're shaking a lot of hands and meeting a lot of people. This is easy to just throw into your pocket and carry around with you. Item number 4 on the Conair SWAG review, this nice sticky notepad. This is BIC brand. Perfect for leaving on your desk at work for those quick notes, or if you need to stick something onto a calendar. This is great to have. Item number 5 on the Conair SWAG review. This, a lot of people ask what it is. This is a MicroBUFF card. What you do with this is clean the screens of your digital devices, so your phone, your iPad, even your watch. The nice thing about this is it has one side that is the cleaning side, and the back side is like a static cling. So you can put it right on the back of your phone or the back of your iPad. It'll stay there till you need it. You just pull it off, wipe the front, stick it back on the back. Item number 6 on the Conair SWAG review. This nice t-shirt. It is Conair logo branded. Heavy cotton t-shirt. Perfect for all those work days. Now, it's not that I don't love the first 6 things that we found in the box, but these next ones are the ones that I really like to see in the boxes. So item number 7, this is extremely popular. This is a Realtree Conair hat. You can see it does have the American flag there right on the bill. A great hat, Velcro on the back. People really like these. This is a nice thing to find when you get that mystery box. Next up, a really nice handled Conair mug. This is a Crossland brand. This one has a screw-on lid. Nice mug for your morning coffee. A lot of people like a handled mug. Now it's getting tough to say what my favorite one here is. I'm going to say Conair SWAG review item number 8, the Nike drawstring bag. This is probably a fan favorite for us. A lot of people love getting these Nike drawstring bags. They are really well made. They do have a zipper front pocket for storing your phone or your headphones. And of course, the drawstrings make it really nice. I use one of these at most trade shows just to carry my stuff in and out of the show hall. It also has enough room in it. You can put some of those other swag pieces from other booths inside it. So Conair Nike drawstring bag. This is nearing the top of the list for my favorites. Item number 10 on the Conair SWAG review, the Conair YETI. This is my favorite. I use this for my coffee every single day. It keeps coffee warm a long time. It's got this nice slide open lid. And what a lot of people don't realize is that this comes off for easy cleaning. So it's magnetic. You just take this off. It makes it really easy to clean that surface. Just magnet clicks back on. So this is my all-time favorite Conair SWAG. And brand new for February 2023, Conair SWAG item number 11, the soft beanie. We added this to the collection just about a month ago. Not very many people have these. It's going to be a collector's edition. So if you get one of these nice soft beanies in your mystery box as a prize, you should be very pleased. And they're super soft, which is one of the main reasons we picked them. We also like the black on gray version of our Conair logo. So there you go, 11 pieces of Conair swag reviewed. And if you're wondering, how can I get some of this swag? Well, the really easy way is to come and visit us at the booth at a trade show. So if you're at a trade show, make sure you come and see me. I'll get you entered to win some of these great products. As you know, we also give away the mystery boxes pretty often, so make sure you're following us on YouTube and LinkedIn to see every possible opportunity to win some or all of this swag. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give our video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again the next time.